Hello guys and welcome back. This one is going to be also a quick unboxing, but unfortunately I wanted to do this unboxing much earlier, but unfortunately, as I told you, I have some problem. My package got lost, and after many phone calls and a lot of patience from my side, I receive my package. A little bit on this side it's damaged, the box. I don't know why. Somebody just wanted to have a peek inside to see what it is, but it's everything in good shape. Here is the limited edition, the collector edition from Doom: The Dark Ages. This is the Doom the Demon Slayer, the statue, and it's an awesome product. So without further ado, let's go ahead and have a look. Let's go ahead and have a look what it's inside the box. So let's see. Okay, side. This is from PS5. It's for PS5 version because I couldn't find the Xbox. It was absolutely sold out. And since I have the Xbox subscription, I will not open the game. This is going to be remaining like this. I know it has a code on the back side, I think, but yeah, it's going to be remain in my collection together with the statue, because I can play the game. I was playing the game the last couple of days and I really enjoy it. It's the first time that I play this game. It's strange, but I wasn't a fan, but now I am, and I really like it and enjoy the last couple of days. Awesome game. So put the game on the side and have a look. It's really well packed. I think I will do like this because the box is it's pretty big. So let's have a look. Yes. Yeah, a pretty nice hole in my box, like this. Anyway, it's not damaged. So let's have a look on this side. Doom: The Dark Ages, and here it is, the statue. It's pretty impressive. So let's have an unboxing very quickly. Now on top of in this, I thought it's for the CD, but it's not. This is the key from the game. You can open the portals or close the portals, and it's from metal. It's very heavy. I mean, very heavy, but it feels a good quality, as you can see here, both sides, and it's metal. It's just a piece of paper, but yeah, it's a nice thing. On the back side it's absolutely nothing, so you cannot fit a CD, but this is nice to sit on the shelf together with the statue. There's a metal case, pretty heavy, good quality. So let's have a look to the statue, which is the better way to. So I think we're going to do it like this. I have to improvise because at this very moment, while it's too big, I can't put it on my desk because the distance from the statue and the camera is going to be not enough. So I decide to unbox it on the floor. So I mean, wow, just wow. And let me tell you, the attention to detail, I hope I can show you, because sometimes the video doesn't make it look like it's in reality, you know, because I saw the photos and I wasn't sure should I order it. By the way, I paid 209 euros here in Europe. It's a lot of money, but and I think it's worth it on one way, because this is yeah, if you want to collect something, to have something a good quality, which this one is, I think it's worth it. But it could be a little bit cheaper, like 150. 209, yeah, it's a little bit of an expensive side. Here you can take the hand off because you have another weapon together, this bundle. But I really like the shotgun, the shield, and I like this gun. Remember me of the Predator, the laser from the Predator movie. This is plastic, but it's pretty heavy, but it looks very, very nice. Very, very nice. So let's put this on the side, and here is the second weapon, and this one is the cape. Let's have a look. One's here. Just like this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you one more time, and I will catch you in my next one.